My dear children, today we will do two questions. Question number one we already have done, and that is related to letter to uh, letter of placing order, and the another question is letter of inquiry. Dear children, look at the spelling of the word inquiry, Enquiry. Why am I asking you the spelling? Because there are two words or two different spellings of the word inquiry. One begins with Enquiry and another begins with Inquiry. So, first of all, I would like to clarify your doubt regarding the difference between inquiry that begins with E and inquiry that begins with I. Let me tell you, nowadays in modern times, both the words are used interchangeably, means we can use any of the word that will not be incorrect. There is a very slight difference between these two. The word that begins with E means inquiry. This word should be actually used in informal situation, and the word that begins with I, inquiry, INQUIRY, that should be used in formal connotations. That is the only difference between these two words. Well, when we go to any shop or any business establishment, we ask many questions before we purchase anything. But if we are purchasing anything uh, online, how would you inquire something, or how would you just quench your uh, desire or query for the related item? Well, dear children, inquiry for what? Just uh, just imagine, in the previous question you were just I gave you an example that if you want to purchase a fridge or refrigerator, so before purchasing you can write an inquiry letter to the firm or to the company, or you can ask about the variety, the models, or the companies that they are having. You can ask more about any available items. You can ask about the term and conditions of the scheme. You can inquire about the price list also. Or if you are willing to attend any dance class, music class, or any another course, you can ask about the fee, about the timing, and about the duration. You can even inquire about any course like IIT course or computer diploma or course. You can write any letter of inquiry to any tourist, uh, you know, destination, to get details of tourist destination and all, uh, travels and tours. And you can ask for the rate and discount also, and you can ask or inquire about transportation or accommodations, etc. Well, here you can see on your screen, an inquiry letter is a formal letter written to inquire and get details regarding something that a person is interested in. It could be written with respect to an item that a person is interested in buying, purchasing, a course that a person wants to study, a vacation trip that a person wants to go on, etc. As the sender of an inquiry letter needs information about something, the inquiry letter must mention the contact details of the sender where the said information has to be sent. It must contain the particulars of the things inquired about. It must also list down all the aspects of the thing about which the sender wants the detailed information. Well, children, look at the format. Inquiry regarding item rates and mode of payment. If someone is willing to ask for the rates of the items, how that particular inquiry letter must be written, and actually, this is the format. So means how it is to be written, or in most of the questions the same format can be applied with a little bit change. So like the letter of a placing order, we will write first of all our own address. Our own address means the address that is given in the question. Then we will leave one two line date, and then name and address of receiver means the company or the firm that you are writing to. Then subject inquiry regarding item rates and mode of payment. Sir or sirs, through your advertisement in the National Daily, I came to know that yours is one of the leading firms in the field of, just you can write anything um, related to means. We also deal in the same for the last 10 years. We have enough space along with wide contacts and sufficient experience of the market. We want to start business with your firm, but before this we need some information regarding the items manufactured by your firm along with the rate list and your terms and conditions regarding mode of payment. So you are requested to please furnish the required information as early as possible so that we can start our business relation for mutual benefits. And leaving one two line with thanks. Then once again you can leave one two lines and yours sincerely, signature, name and designation. Once again, name and designation should be written by the same that has been given in the question. And this letter can also be divided or should be divided into three four segments, three four paragraphs, so that for better understanding or for better expression, so that the receiver may easily understand what the writer of the letter wants to convey through this letter. So I am giving you one question. Uh, Following the same format that I have provided you, you kindly write this letter. You are Krishna Pratap of MS Nagar, Jaipur. You want to join some American university for higher studies. Write a letter to the education officer, American Foundation for Education, New Delhi, for necessary information and guidance. So please do this question today and send your responses to my personal WhatsApp message. Thank you very much.